2 a.m. early for this. Good morning, and what is up, you guys? So it is bright and early on Sunday morning, and so my dad's on his way up. There's 2 things that we're going to do today. So we're going to try to get the Celica going. I think that would go pretty good. I think it'll start up. So that's pretty exciting. And then we're going to go to Pull and Save in Spokane, and we're going to look for some car parts. I need to get a heater control valve. So Pull and Save does have a 1978. I have gotten parts off of it before. It's been there a long time. It might not have anything at all, but we're going to check it out. Alright, you guys, so I'm waiting for Dad to get here. Figure I would get a head start on the Celica. So what I'm going to do right now is take the top plate off of the carb. So I'm going to put some fresh gas into the bowl, and that should get it where it will start right up, hopefully. So let's get to it. Alright, well, that was pretty easy. Looks about what I expected it would. Completely dry. There's a little bit of residue on the bottom, but overall, it kind of looks like an old carburetor. So we're going to fill this bowl up probably about halfway. It should be about where the float level will be at. Alright, so got the bowl about halfway full. Should be ready to full send. Hey! Doing good. Ready for some fun?
You bet.
So I thought before we go, try to fire up the car.
Sure.
No pun intended. Not literally fire it up. So it should be ready to go.
I saw where you were including me in on that deal there. I appreciated that.
Yeah. In theory, it should just go.
Whoa, that is great stuff.
So let me pass this on to you.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to zoom it out a little bit.
Okay.
Plug this in. This is the main power wire here. Should be good. Not yet. Let's see. Definitely have that, so we might not have spark.
Safely stored.
Yeah. Expertly categorized. Okay, so if this has spark, it'll light this up right here.
Okay.
So we'll see. Okay, well there's an issue right there. That's not plugged in. Okay, so we're... Aha! That might make a difference. I was cleaning over here and I forgot I disconnected that.
Oh, hey.
Look at that! Just one wire.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well I think it ran out of whatever fuel is in the carburetor.
Yeah.
But it runs. I just have to clean out the fuel system and probably put fresh gas in it, but it runs. So I'm excited.
Hallelujah.
So, all right. Well,
Okay.
we are going to head over to Pull and Save, and we're going to see if we can find some parts. So let's get to it. So the heater core is in there. Definitely see that. Getting it out won't be fun, but that's all right.
Of course.
So I wasn't recording that entire thing, but here it is. Overall, it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than that quote unquote new one that we got. Has a little bit of white on it, but I don't see any green, so I don't think it's leaking. There's a little bit of green right there, but not. I don't know. I might send it in and have it record just for the heck of it, but I don't know. Well, I'll think about it. Got palm trees in the middle of a field. Got pine trees, and then back there you guys got fake palm trees. All right, you guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. We had a really good day here. We got the car going.
Good.
Got a new heater core at Pull and Save. So
Happy day.
yeah, it was a good day. So
Good day.
all right, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. If you guys like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, so just a really quick update. I do have a fuel leak, which this car loves to do fuel leaks and catch on fire, but it looks like it's coming out of this diaphragm right here on the side. I think it's got to be coming out of that diaphragm. That's the only thing that's wet on this. Good news with that is it looks like it might be getting fuel. Oh yeah, there's gas in there. No biggie, pretty easy. Get a rebuild kit.